brief respite, looks like violence is back to stalk Manipur. Back-to-back incidents of rockets and bombing have been reported both in Bishnupur district. At about 4 a.m. this morning, a rocket was allegedly used to attack a community center. This incident happened about 46 kilometers, about 45 kilometers away from the capital city of Imphal at a place called Tronglaubi. Now, Tronglaubi Community Center and a room adjoining it were damaged, but thankfully nobody was injured and there were no casualties. The allegations were that the rocket was fired from the Churachandpur area. Now, we all know that Churachandpur is the hill areas with Kuki population, and Bishnupur is where the Meitei population lives. The second incident, that's more deadly. This has happened in Moirang. A house of a former chief minister saw a bomb attack. Again, allegations are being made that some kind of a rocket-like mechanism was utilized even in this particular attack. The incident that happened injured at least 5 people aged between 40 to 65. There was one 13-year-old also who was injured. One person, a 70-year-old man, lost his life. This attack happened at the residence of a former chief minister. Like I said, Mairambam Koiring, his house on the Sendra road was attacked. What the feeling on the ground is that these attacks against the Meitei population is being orchestrated from the Kuki side. The police is taking its time to officially ascertain what has really happened in this particular case. But if you recall, since 1st of September, there have been repeated incidents of, violence. Drones were used in 2 incidents on the western side of the capital city of Imphal. Imphal West is where the 2 incidents happened. At least 2 casualties were reported. At least 5 people were injured. Houses belonging to the Meitei community were attacked by these drone-dropped crude bombs or grenades. And now with these allegations of rockets being used, once again, the situation is becoming volatile. On the ground, there is a demand for talks. That political level, if talks happen between the 2 community, only then can the issue be addressed. But the bigger security challenge is for the police and for the paramilitary forces. Yes, the number of casualties are not as many as it were 16 months ago when the cycle of violence began in Manipur. But every few weeks, after a brief lull, there is a loss of life that is being reported. These 4 incidents that have happened, 2 of drones being utilized to drop bombs and then allegedly improvised rockets being used, is something that the authorities are extremely worried about, and they are looking for some kind of solution so that calm and peace returns to Manipur.